If you work remotely, you know the pain. Messy notes. Missed action items. Manual CRM updates after every call. What if AI handled all of that, automatically? In this video I'll show you exactly how Krisp AI works for remote workers. Transcription, notes, and CRM integration, all in one tool. Remote workers spend an average of 30 minutes after every meeting writing notes, updating CRM, and sending follow-ups. That's over 2 hours every single day, wasted. Krisp AI fixes all of that in one click. First, transcription. Open any meeting on Google Meet, Zoom, or Teams. Krisp runs silently in the background. Every word is captured, in real time. No bot joining your call. Today I am testing Krisp AI Communication Clearer. It works. It also integrates with Slack, HubSpot. That is the end of this test meeting. Thank you for watching. No one knows it's recording. And it works in over 16 languages. When the meeting ends, click Summarize. Krisp instantly generates your meeting notes. Key decisions. Action items. Next steps. Everything organized, without you writing a single word. This alone saves remote workers 15 to 20 minutes per meeting. Now, the most powerful feature for remote workers. CRM integration. Krisp connects directly to HubSpot, Salesforce, and Slack. Your meeting notes and action items push automatically, with one click. No copy-paste. No manual entry. No missed deals. Your CRM updates itself. And while all this happens, Krisp is also canceling every background noise on your call. Dog barking. Kids. Traffic. Fan noise.
Hi there, this is Lee. I wanted to show you how companies like yours are using Krisp to save hours every week. By automating meeting notes and action items with zero bots or awkward integrations. It works right on top of Zoom, Google Meet, or Teams.
I was informed only yesterday that we should participate in a conference that's coming up next month. I've already shared my screen with you, so you can see all the requirements in this document. Let's give priorities to all these tasks as
gone. Instantly. Your team only hears your voice, crystal clear. Plus the mobile app means you can transcribe in-person meetings too. Walk and talks. Coffee chats. Everything captured. After the meeting, everything lives in your Krisp workspace. Share notes to Slack in one click. Access transcripts from any device. Your entire meeting history, organized and searchable. No more lost follow-ups. No more forgotten decisions. For remote workers, Krisp is not just a nice tool. It is the difference between a productive day and a wasted one. Try Krisp AI free for 7 days, no credit card needed. Link is in the description. If this helped you, hit subscribe right now. I break down the best AI tools for remote workers every single week. One click. You will never miss one.